video we have studied about meaning, importance of money market. Today, today we will study the role of Reserve Bank of India in money market. The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank and it is responsible for the issue of supply of Indian rupees and regulation of Indian banking system. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra and established on 1st April 1935. It is 100% state ownership and present governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. So here, the Reserve Bank of India is the most important constituent of money market. The market which money, the market comes with the direct purview of Reserve Bank regulation. The aim of Reserve Bank operation in money market are to ensure that liquidity and short-term interest rate are maintained at the level consistent with monetary policy objectives of maintaining price stability. Liquidity for short-term money market, that is liquidity. Money market means it is complete. First word you have to remember, it is short-term and liquidity. And interest rate are maintained at the level of constant with the monetary policy. The policy monitored by the monetary policies are made by Reserve Bank of India and objective is to maintain price stability to ensure the adequate flow of credit to productive sectors of economy and to bring out the order in foreign exchange market. The Reserve Bank influences the liquidity and interest rate through the number of operating instruments. Cash reserve requirement (CRR) or bank conduct open market operation (OMO), repos, change in bank rates and at time of foreign exchange swap operation. Money market centers. There are many money market centers in India at Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. The Mumbai, it is only active money market center in India with money flowing in all parts of the country getting transacted there. Money market instrument, that is first it is types of money market instrument, important topic, that is tertiary bill, cash management bill, call notice money market, that is call overnight and a short notice, that is up to 14 days, commercial papers, certificate of deposit, commercial bills, letterwise borrowing and lending obligation. We will study detail about these all the terms, that is TBs, then CMBs, then short term, that is overnight money, that is fortnight or 15 days, 14 days, then commercial papers, C commercial certificate of deposit, CB, that is commercial bills, and CB yellow. Call notice money market and treasury bill form the most important segment of Indian money market. That are T bills, that is treasury bills. Call money markets and certificate of deposit provide liquidity to government and banks. First it is call notice money and T bills. They are main important segment and they provide liquidity to government and banks. While commercial papers and commercial bills provide liquidity of for commercial sectors and intermediaries. Next it is T-bills. The T-bills are short-term instrument used by the Reserve Bank on behalf of government to tide over the short-term liquidity falls. This instrument is used by the government to raise short-term funds to bridge the seasonal or temporary gap between its receipts, that is revenue and capital, and the expenditure. They form the important segment of money market not only in the India but also over the world, as well as T-bills are repaid as part of on maturity. The difference between the amount paid by a tender at the time of purchase, which is less than the face value, and the amount received on the maturity, represents the interest amount on T-bills and is known as discount. Tax deduct at source is not applicable on T-bills. Tax are not deducted. TDS is not applicable on T-bill. They are short-term instrument issued by the Reserve Bank on the behalf of government to have to overcome the over the liquidity falls, to overcome the liquidity shortfalls when there is a gap between the revenue and the capital and the expenditure. Then the T-bills are used by the government. So, features of T-bills, they are negotiable securities, they are highly liquid as they are short-term tenures and they are possibility of interbank repos in them. There is an absence of default risk. They have an assured yield, low transaction cost and are also eligible for inclusion in securities for SLR. SLR means statutory liquidity ratios. They are not issued in the script form. They are the purchase and sales are effected through subsidiaries, general ledgers, PGL account. At present, there are 14 days type 14 types of T-bill. 14 days, 91 days, 182 days, 364 days T-bills. The 91 days T-bills are auctioned by RBI every Friday and 364 days T-bills are very alternate Wednesday. That is the Wednesday preceding the reporting on Friday. That is preceding Wednesday and reporting on the Friday. T-bills are available at minimum amount of 25,000 and it is multiply thereof. They are minimum available at 25,000 and there are multipliers thereof. With this we have covered T-bills and in coming videos we will cover other parts of money market. End of today's video. Thank you.